we played very bravely, great courage and honesty and heart. I think there was fantastic discipline in defence and organisation. We had to depend on some brave play there and the usual amazing saves that Jacob Mickelson comes up with to keep the score at 1. But once it was still at 1, we always had a chance, and we were just waiting on that break. It never quite came. Near the end, with Jonas's throw in, it was close. But there's no doubt France were the better team. I think can play better. We can pass the ball better. Against Serbia, we passed the ball much more effectively than we did today. But I think France were a better team than Serbia. They have players at the top 4 leagues in Europe, in England, Spain, France and Germany. Maybe they've no players in Italy, but 4 of the top 5 clubs, teams, countries in Europe, and the players, when you see them bringing on a substitute like Ribery because they're worried we might get a goal, it was an indication that we've done quite well. So I'm very proud of the performance. I'm very proud of the support the team had today. From the crowd were wonderful. With a few minutes to go, they're cheering the team as if we were winning the game. It was brilliant. It was inspiring, and I'm quite emotional about it.
You did some substitutions early in the game. What was it, because of injuries?
Well, I wasn't happy. Christian Holst he wasn't feeling very well in the last couple of days. He had a lot of soreness and feeling very sore, I suppose. And like he is. It was almost like he had a flu in his bones. So this morning we gave him a fitness test, and he said he thought he was okay. So I said I'd go with him because he's been playing well now. He's been playing at the start of the first 4 games of the season for Silkeborg, which wasn't the case at the end of last season when we played Serbia. He had not been playing the team, but obviously his performance, he wasn't up to it. He wasn't fit enough. He wasn't well enough to give the effort that he would have liked to give. And so also I wanted to give Jon Simon a chance. He's been outstanding in the under-19 and played very well in the under-21 game. I wanted to have a look at him. Unfortunately I don't have too much opportunity to experiment. I just have to play the players and in the big games and see what they can do. But now I've given Jon Simon a chance. Jacob Oborg has had a little chance. So now we have used 15 players, I think, now between the 2 games, and starting to know a little bit more about each of them. And some aspects were disappointing today, but there was many aspects that I think we can take some heart from. And I suppose it was typical bravery of the Faroese team, and honesty about them and discipline, and I just would have wished so much that we got a goal and got to pinch the point from the match. I think it's what they deserve, given how hard they've worked this week in the preparations.